Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to update your MetaMask wallet to fix errors, improve security, and optimize extension performance. First, visit the official MetaMask support page and check for available updates. You may see two options. Option 1. Update MetaMask. This updates your extension while keeping your wallet accounts and activities connected. Option 2. Reset MetaMask. This clears local extension data and refreshes the extension from a clean state. Before resetting, always make sure you have safely backed up your secret recovery phrase offline. Now, let's update the extension. Click on Update MetaMask to begin the update process. The updater will check whether your extension is running the latest version. If your wallet is outdated, the update process will start automatically. This version includes important fixes and improvements for transaction reliability, wallet stability, network connectivity, and performance optimization. Once the update finishes, MetaMask will reload automatically and apply the latest improvements. Finally, click back to MetaMask to return to your